Hey everyone, welcome back. If you recently moved, want to send a gift to a friend, or need to update your shipping details, today I'll show you exactly how to change your delivery address on Amazon using a desktop browser. Let's get straight into it. First, open your preferred web browser, go to the official Amazon website, and make sure you are completely logged into your account. Once the homepage loads, direct your eyes to the upper right corner of the screen. Move your cursor over the section that says Hello, Account and Lists. A drop-down menu will automatically slide open. From this list of options, go ahead and click directly on Your Account to open your main profile dashboard. On your main account settings page, you will see a grid of various feature widgets. Look closely for the section titled Your Addresses and click on it. This is the central hub where all of your saved shipping locations are stored. Once the page loads, you will see all your current addresses displayed in individual boxes. If you want to fix an existing location, look at the bottom of that specific box and click on the Edit link. This opens up the address form where you can update the street name, apartment number, phone number, or delivery instructions. Once fixed, click Save. Alternatively, if you want to add a completely new location, click on the large box at the top that features a plus sign and says Add Address. Fill out the secure form completely and save it to your profile. You can also click the link at the bottom of any cart to set a specific location as your primary default shipping address for all future checkouts, and that's it. You now know how to quickly manage and change your delivery addresses on Amazon. If this guide helped you out, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.